Hello and welcome to this quick video about these COB LEDs. These are beautifully thin COB LEDs, perfect to add wonderful effects onto your wings, planes, boats, cars, whatever. If I just light these up, you can kind of see the kind of way they look. If I just power them up, they are incredibly bright. These are actually the ones from Fly High FPV. I'll put a link down in the description. They come in 12, 24, 5 volt versions, 1, 2 and 5 meter lengths, loads of different colors, and I'm playing with them here at the moment. However, one of the things is, as they come, the ends aren't soldered up. So how do you know which is the positive and which is the negative side of the power supply? Because when you get it the right way round, it's going to glow like this and look very, very impressive, incredibly bright. I'm actually playing with these at the moment. But if you get it the wrong way round, it won't light up. So how do you make sure that that doesn't happen? Well, let me just remove my bench power supply. The trick here is that what you need is you need to grab your multimeter. And with these things, they're relatively cheap and cheerful. You don't have to spend a fortune, but I would recommend if you're going to be playing with any of this kind of stuff, get yourself one. Just grab a little bit of blue tack to stick the connector on. This is the connector I've just soldered, but I've just done this and realized, actually, you know what? I haven't got a video on this. So all we're going to do is we're going to pop it onto resistance. So you can see there, it's OL, open line, which means they're not connected. If I touch the prongs together, then it's going to go to a dead short, 0 ohms. Now, what you do is you put your multimeter, I'll try and do this so you can still see the screen. You put your multimeter on the 2 pads on the end of the COB LED. If you have it the right way round, it will stay as an open line. When you have it the wrong way round, watch what happens. If I put the positive on the negative and vice versa, you'll see that it's actually reading resistance, and that's going to be slightly different. It kind of eventually disappeared, but there was a big difference there, and that's because these actually are outputting a very small voltage from the battery inside, and then it's measuring the resistance as the current flows through it. So again, one way, we have nothing at all. That's the right way, and that's the way you want to wire it up. If you flick them round and you connect the prongs the wrong way, you will see this behavior where you will get a resistance, probably in the megohms, but that's the trick. So if you have a little multimeter like this and you're not sure which way round you have to connect everything, that's the trick. Connect everything up. If you get it so that no current flows, it shows as an open line, then that's the right way round. If you have a resistance showing in your multimeter, then you've got it the wrong way around. Just a cute little tip when you're wiring these things up. Thank you for watching my video. Check out the playlist, and adding Pedantry 60 to your search terms will help you find my content. If you haven't done so already, please hit the like and subscribe button. It helps a lot. You can support the time I spend here answering questions and helping others by using the links in the video description.